Thank you so much for being such an important part of the Riveredge family. Thank you for all of the joy and laughter and hard work you bring to Riveredge. If it's every week when you come and help out, or if it's through a special event once a year, we are just so happy to have you. Thank you for teaching the kids, for pulling the invasives, for answering the phones, for organizing stuff, for lifting things and setting up for special events, for bartending, for shoveling the snow, for everything in between. Riveredge could not be here without you, and we're so happy to have you as part of the family. So thank you for all that you do. Thank you for giving of yourself, your time, your talent, your energy, your love to further the mission and get even more people connected to the natural world and to take care of this incredible and beautiful natural sanctuary.
Hello, Riveredge volunteers. Thank you so much for everything that you do for us. Riveredge and our community could never complete all of the things that we need to do to be who we are for our community without the volunteers. And I'm so very proud to be the volunteer manager for Riveredge. And I just wanted to thank each one of you personally for everything that you do for us. We're so indebted and so grateful. We appreciate you so very much. Thank you.
Hi volunteers, this is Casey. I just wanted to say thank you. You guys are incredible, each and every one of you. I'm just constantly amazed at the amount of energy and love and passion that all of you put into Riveredge Nature Center. You guys are the backbone of this place, and we couldn't do it without you. We miss you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, volunteers! You guys rock! Oh, but seriously, thank you so much for all you do. Everything we do here would not be possible without all of you wonderful people. I hope you're having a great day, and I'm wishing you well.
Hello, Riveredge volunteers! Just wanted to send a huge thank you for all you do to support Riveredge. We truly could not function without you. See you back on the trails and in the Nature Center as soon as possible.
Hi, it's Matt from Riveredge, the Research and Conservation Manager, making this video for my volunteers and letting you know I've been thinking of you a lot, especially as I've been working alone. You're really missed, and you know, I think oftentimes when we're together and we're accomplishing a project together and there's good conversation, it's going smoothly, it's easy to take for granted. And it's also easy to sort of think in terms of level of production. Like if I'm running this tractor over here and you guys have like a weed whip, there's a power discrepancy. But I think it's really important to remember that the power here at Riveredge is in inspiration and togetherness, and it's the volunteers like you that help me keep a positive attitude, help me see change over time. You know, you guys, some of you have been here for 30 years, have seen this place change. I've only been here for 4, and I really respect that. And during sort of this isolating time, I certainly miss you, and want you to know that you're being thought of, and that I draw a lot of my strength from you. And I can't wait till we have the opportunity to work together again. And yeah, I'll be calling each one of you and touching base sometime soon next week. But hope you're well.
Hi Riveredge volunteers, this is Todd. Thank you for everything that you do. It is truly appreciated. All of the time and talent that you offer to Riveredge gives somebody else the opportunity to experience something that they might not have had the opportunity to do otherwise. So thank you for everything you do.
Hello, wonderful volunteers for Riveredge Nature Center. I just wanted to say thank you for all you do to make us function as one, and just your wonderfulness, your presence, your smile, all your help that you guys give us. We really thank you and appreciate you. This is Rachel, Scientist in Residence, West Bend School District.
Hey Riveredge volunteers, thank you so much for all of your hard work and support over the years. We really appreciate it. Hope you're doing well and stay safe.
Hi Riveredge volunteers, this is Melanie from the Development Department. I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for everything that you do for Riveredge. You guys inspire me every day, and I can't wait till we can see you again. Happy National Volunteer Month, everybody. Bye!